Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify library not working or not loading. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a number of different fixes we can try. So I'm going to start with the most popular fixes, go on to the least popular. So now the first fix is to basically restart Spotify completely. So go ahead and close all your apps plus Spotify, reopen it. Now fix number 2 is to check your internet connection. So we can toggle our Wi-Fi on and off, and if you use a mobile data, switch over to Wi-Fi and vice versa. So basically try another network if possible. Now the next fix is to go ahead and clear the Spotify cache. This fixes most library issues. So to do this, click and hold down Spotify, click onto I to get in the app info. Then from here, scroll down under usage, click on the storage and go ahead and click on clear cache. Don't tap the clear data unless necessary, it's going to log you out. Now the next fix is to go ahead and go to our Play Store, click search and then search for Spotify and see if there's any updates. So yes, there is an update, so go ahead and click on update. If it doesn't say update, that means your Spotify application is already got the latest software version installed. Now for there's 2 more fixes, so we can go ahead and uninstall Spotify and then reinstall it. And now the last fix is to check if Spotify is down. So what we need to do is open up a web browser and then go to Google and then just type in is Spotify down and then hit enter. And now just check out any of the top results here. So if there's any errors or if they're down, they're gonna let you know here. And if there is any outages, you just simply got to wait it out and just check their socials to see when they're going to be coming back up.